Today I'm providing you with a new way to use Sedans and other AI models to create AI animations like this.
We protect this village. Together, always.
Let's help everyone.
Our river has disappeared. We'll find a solution.
The new AI platform I'm putting you on today is called TryVEO3.ai. So open your browser and type TryVEO3.ai. It's going to open into this interface for you, okay? You just go through the platform and see how it looks like. It has high quality videos, it has clear audios, and trust me, you're going to really enjoy it. You see where they wrote try for free, you tap on it, okay, then you sign in with your email. Once you are signed in, it's going to take you to this interface. Then you can see text to video, image to video, and reference to video. We're going to be using image to video because we already have our image and our dialogue. If you scroll up, you'll see models, okay? You're going to tap on that model, then it will show you the various AI model this platform has. As obvious, it has Google VEO 3.1 fast, it has Sora 2, it has Kling, it has 2.5, it has Sedans, it has Awilo, it has Grok Imagine, it has Pixverse, okay? If you tap on them, if you tap on Google VEO, it's going to show you how much credit it takes. You can see it uses 10 credits to generate a video. If you tap on Sedans, you can see it uses 10 credits to generate a video. If you tap on Grok uses about 4 credits to generate a video. If you tap on Awilo, it uses about 5 credits. So let's try Sedans. Okay, now you can see I tapped on Sedans 2.0. There's also Sedans 2.0 fast. So you select the AI model you want. You scroll down, you see this image box. You tap on it to add your reference image. Okay, I already created my image and my dialogue. I already have my script, so I selected the image I want to use. Then they already put a prompt. There's just for you to clear the prompt. Okay, you delete the prompt, you're going to paste your own dialogue prompt there. Okay, once you've pasted your dialogue, you scroll down, you select your resolution. There's 480p, 720p, and 1080p. Okay, you can select anyone you like. Then if you scroll down, you would also see duration. There's 5 seconds, there's 10 seconds. I selected 10 seconds. Then you're going to pick your aspect ratio. Then you can see the road no watermark. If you want no watermark, you put it on. If you don't want, you can just leave it. Then you can see to generate this video using Sedans uses 10 credits. Then I tap generate video and my video started generating. As you can see, you see it's going to change. And here, see your video is in progress. Expect it to be ready in no more than 3 minutes, but it does not take up to 1 minute. Your video will get ready. Now tap on it to watch.
We protect this village. Together, always.
Let's help everyone.
Once you are done, you go back. You see this arrow that is facing down, you tap on it to download the video into your phone, as I did, and you can see your video is ready. Now let's create another video. You scroll up, you go to where the model version is, you tap on model, it will open into the AI model. Now let's tap on Grok Imagine to create our video. Now I selected Grok Imagine already. Now this image aspect, you delete the image that is there, then you tap on it to upload your own reference image, as you can see me doing. Then it will be loading. Then you scroll down, you see where there is prompts. You're going to delete the prompts that they have and paste your own prompt. Okay, delete their own prompt, paste your own prompt. Once you've done that, you're going to scroll down. By now my image has already uploaded. Then I scroll down, you're going to see mode. Okay, there's normal, there's phone. You can just leave it in normal. Then you see resolution, there's 480p and there's 720p. I selected 480p because 720p is for those that are doing paid subscription. Then your duration, there's 6 seconds and there's 10 seconds. That's 6 seconds because 10 seconds is for those that are subscribed to this platform and I'm not subscribed. Then you scroll down, you can see it takes 4 credits to generate, and you tap on generate and immediately your video would get generated.
Our river has disappeared. We'll find a solution.
Now that our video is ready, you go back, tap on that arrow that is facing down to download the video into your phone and you are good to go. Now let's create another video using another AI model. So you scroll up to where there's model, you're going to tap on it and you can see this video. If you want to use Kling to generate your video takes about 10 credits, as you can see. If you tap on Google VEO, it's used about 10 credits also, as you can see. I'm just showing you how many credits the various AI model use. If you tap on Kling 2.0 and Kling 3.0, you can see it uses 10 credits. If you tap on Sora, as you can see, Sora uses 5 credits, which is very, very cheap. If you tap on Awilo also uses about 5 credits, which is very, very cheap. Then Grok Imagine is the cheapest because it uses about 4 credits. Okay, now once you are logged into this app, it will automatically give you about 20 credits to generate your video. So it's you that will know how you are going to manage the 20 credits to generate your video. As you can see, the 20 credit they gave me, I used to generate about 3 videos just with one email, okay? And once you are done with your credit, you know what to do to generate more video. Just log out of the email and log into another email to generate another video. Now let's use Grok Imagine again. Once you select your AI model, you're going to select your reference image, okay? It's going to load. Once it's loaded, you're going to delete the prompt that was there, okay? Then you paste your own prompt. You select your mode, which is normal. You select your aspect ratio, you select your duration, and you select your what? Your resolution. Once you are done, you're going to tap on generate video. You use only 4 credits to generate videos, okay? And immediately, in less than a minute, your video will get ready. It's just for you to tap on your video to watch, and once you are done watching, you're going to download it into your phone.
I'm scared.
You're safe with us.
If you have any questions, do well to drop it in the comment section and I will do well to reply you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I love you all. I'll see you in my next tutorial video. Now enjoy the video.
Protect this village. Together, always.
Let's help everyone.
Our river has disappeared. We'll find a solution.
I'm scared.
You're safe with us.